What's up, everybody? So, I know I look like really bad today, I know. And I'm filming this on my new camera. So, yeah, this is going to be the first video that I ever edit, too. So, that's going to be amazing. You guys are going to see an edited video. It's going to be kind of cool. So, today I wanted to do a video of me playing guitar. Because I don't really do those much. I haven't done one in a long time, especially. And I thought I'd do a guitar tutorial, even better. So, please excuse my lips, by the way. I've been trying to wear chapstick. It's so annoying. Like, I put it on before I go to sleep. It's so slimy when I wake up. I don't like it. So, yeah, if you're watching this for some nice guitar footage and a nice guitar tutorial, then that's really cool. So, thanks. But if you don't want to watch it, then just don't watch it. Thanks a lot. I'll see you guys when I start playing. So, what is up, everybody? Here we are back at a different location. I look really bad in this location, I'm sorry, but the sunlight is shining on me, which kind of makes me look like a child of God, but I'm not. So, today I'm actually going to teach you how to play a song that's actually really simple, like, really simple, and I know what you're thinking, Jacob, where's your electric? Where is it? It actually broke. It's unfixable. Well, it is fixable, I'd just rather not fix it, and I have a new guitar, as you can see. There it is, so it's pretty cool. So here's the song. I learned this one a pretty long time ago. It's actually Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. So this is the first chord that you need right here. That's the first one. That's the little... Oh, I am not in tune. Let me go tune really quick. Alright, so I actually went and tuned, and now it actually sounds a lot better. So, I'm actually not going to show you the chords or anything first. I'm actually going to show me actually playing it so you can hear what it's going to sound like when you actually get it down and everything. So here it is. So that's what it's going to sound like. And by the way, I haven't played guitar in a long time and it feels really cool too. But so basically the first chord that you're going to play is up here all the way. It's the first. You go to your first string on your first fret, and then you go to the second fret, or the third fret, second string. So that's going to be the, and then you go over, yeah, and then you go over to 7, no, 6. You go to the 6th fret, and then the 8th fret, 6th fret, first string, and then 8th fret, second string, and that's gonna be the. And then you switch over here to the 4th first string. See that? The 4th fret, first string, and then second, or then that's 4th fret. That's 5th fret. No, that's 6th fret again. I think, yeah. And then that goes on the second string, so that's gonna be the. And then you go over to the 9th fret. Yeah, that's the 9th, right? 3, 5, 7. So this is the 9th fret, and then that's the 11th fret. So your first, your finger goes on the first string of the 9th fret, and then on the 10th fret, no, the 11th fret, your finger goes on the second string. That's gonna be the, and you do that repeating, you know, like. You do that in the middle of each string, or each chord, which means you basically hold down the strings like that, and you're like, it's called dead strings. So you'll go like, and then you'll go over to, see that? And then when you get all that down, like on your last time of doing the, you go like, and then you go over to your 5th fret, and you put it on the 4th string, and then you go over to the next fret after that, which is the 6th fret, I believe, and that goes on the string right under it. And you do, over here, you strum only those strings doing this. Another option, which doesn't sound right, honestly, but it's a little easier, you go over to the first, and you just hold one finger on these 2 strings, and you go, which sounds the exact same, and it's a little easier if you're like just beginning, and it's like easier to get over there for you. Just see, they kind of sound identical. So you got all that stuff down. You really repeat that throughout the song, but when it hits the solo, okay, this might not be extremely right, okay, but like I remember I used to play it perfectly, but since I got an acoustic, I think it has less frets than my electric did, so it doesn't have as many. Basically, you go, this is what the solo should sound like. God damn it, 1 second. So you get the point there. Basically, you go over to your 10th fret right here on the 3rd string, and you go like. Then you switch over to this one, and you go that. Yeah. So, I actually don't know how to play the solo that well, so I'll just link down below a video that is actually the solo and it actually sounds good. So yeah, I'll try to find a nice one that actually teaches it well, and I'll link it down below if you want to learn the solo, because I don't really know how to play it. I don't really know how to explain it well, but I can play it here. See that? So, yeah, I'm gonna actually upload this now, edit it at least. So yeah, let me first get a thumbnail. Okay, I think I got that. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next video.